conservation of land resource. Now it is talking about that how can we conserve the land, since land is also a very major and important resource without which humans cannot survive. So how do we need to conserve it, and why the conservation is important? We must make proper plans to use the land effectively. This can be done through checking further spread of deserts, adopting scientific techniques, conserving soil and forest, providing irrigation facilities, increasing the use of manure and chemical fertilizers, afforestation and land reclamation, and checking overgrazing. So basically we can use all these factors. We can have proper planning, we can conduct surveys. Like for example, a land is not good for irrigation, so we can increase its fertility by adding manures, by adding chemical fertilizers. So if that can be used, so we can use the land. Okay, for example, a land is a waste material for us, we are not using that portion of land. So if we are doing human intervention, and through our skills and knowledge, if manures and chemical fertilizers can be added, and it can then further lead to better or improved soil quality, so why not? Why cannot we use that land for irrigation facilities? Okay, also we need to do a lot of afforestation, that means growing lots and lots of plants, because we are cutting a lot of plants, and we all know that plants and trees help us restore the ecological balance. They provide us with oxygen, fresh air. So if the population is increasing and we are chopping off trees, we are cutting off trees, then the whole ecological balance will get disturbed. Okay, so we need to do a lot of afforestation. Okay, land reclamation, that is how can we bring that land, the land which we are not using, into better use. Checking overgrazing. Okay, overgrazing is not done, or we can have actually specific areas only for from where overgrazing is done. If for example the land is fertile, but soil, it is losing its layers, so we can actually have irrigation facilities there. We can bring in channels there. वहाँ पे through different human intervention we can actually bring water facilities there. We can conserve soil and forest. Like for example, when this is your land, okay, and for example if at the boundary level we are growing, or we have actually planted big trees, so this will actually prevent the layers of soil to get washed away in wind. When the wind is extremely high or it is extremely speedy. We can also check further spread of deserts, like how much deserts are spreading or it is not spreading. So considering all these factors, we can actually conserve the land resources and use the land in a better way.